I got this Husky replacement cord here. So one end's the plug and the other end's the wires. You see down here, I got this yellow connector there, yellow plug that I've wired to the end of that. Well, I don't like the orange and it's too short. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this, give it a little bit of length and keep it black too. Okay, this is real easy here. So I got 3 colors. Got green, white, and black. White goes to white, black goes to black, and green goes to these copper ones here for ground. All right, I got these wire connectors here, which is what I'm going to use. Let's go ahead and do the grounds first. These other ones out of the way. Make sure I'm spinning them clockwise. I'm going to be tightening them up clockwise with the wire nut. I'm going to twist it on there till I can't twist anymore. Now what I do is try to pull the wires out a little bit, just give them a little tug. They're not going anywhere. I'll do the same thing here with the white. Tight. Now the black. There we go. Now it's wired up. I'll probably put some electric tape. If you had some heat shrink tubing, you could heat seal that on there. That's how you do it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is tape all those wires up real good, and then I got to loosen these bolts and kind of pull up the lamppost base there and tuck them underneath there. So all I have is the black cord, and it's all kind of weatherproof there. Do that now. Now that looks a lot better than that orange plug. I like that a lot better. All right, guys, thanks for watching.